When killer birds evolved in South America about 25 million years ago, there were no predatory mammals to compete with them. They reigned supreme. They could eat anything they wanted, and there were many strange creatures to choose from. Megatherium was a giant sloth. Rearing on its hind legs to feed on vegetation, it was as tall as a two-story building, 10 times the size of a modern sloth. The peculiar Glyptodon was a vegetarian the size of a small car and armored like a tank. Size and armor may have provided some protection from killer birds, but others, such as the horse-like Didaphorus, were at their mercy, practically defenseless against the vicious jaws of birds like Endololornis.